Stop ignoring these 4 workplace safety hazards and eliminate them right now. Safety hazards are the most common type of hazards present in most workplaces at one time or another. You might know that working in an unsafe place or around potential hazards causes illness, injury, or even death. Terrifying, right? Employee injury or death not only affects your business performance but creates unbearable circumstances for his family. However, identifying potential hazards and eliminating them from the workplace can save many lives. In this video, we'll discuss the 4 common workplace safety hazards that can threaten your employees' lives. Physical hazards. Poor cleaning creates unsafe conditions for your workers. Wet floors due to oil spills, cluttered walkways, and uneven surfaces increase the risk of slips, trips, or falls in the work environment, leading to physical injuries to your workforce and in turn poor performance. Even working from heights on poles, scaffolds, ladders, roofs, or falling from any raised work area can result in serious body injuries or death. Sounds scary, isn't it? So, clear the clutter and oil spills for safe movement. Use belts and ropes while working at a height to avoid falls and potential accidents. Hazardous substances. Many industries work by using different chemicals, solvents, or cleaning agents. Processing materials or managing chemicals pose serious health threats if not handled properly. The horrible part? Exposure to these hazardous substances can cause skin irritation, respiratory problems, or even long-term health concerns. In worst cases, carcinogenic chemicals like liquid, gases, or fumes can cause cancer and other complicated or incurable diseases. Hence, always practice preventive measures while working in such an environment by wearing safety equipment. Next comes the electrical hazards. Exposed or improper wiring, overloaded circuits, or defaulted machinery leads to shocks, burns, or fires. Damaged safety equipment or wiring signs of wear or damage are more likely to give shocks with a slight touch. What's your job? Regularly inspect all equipment, sockets, and wiring systems to ensure safe work surroundings for your workforce. Avoid overloading power outlets and use protective equipment like glasses, gloves, and other essentials while working at the power station, machine, or wires. Ergonomic injuries are also one of the common workplace injury hazards. Improper posture due to poor sitting at the workstation results in back strains. Employees sitting long hours at their desks and performing repetitive tasks are at higher risk. To reduce these hazards, provide comfortable office furniture and offer regular breaks. It would be great to provide training on proper postures or lifting techniques. You can also modify the workstations according to employees' needs for their efficient performance. Not to mention, bacteria, viruses, or other pathogens can be considered biological hazards that pose a threat to workers' health at your workplace. So, keep your workplace clean and free of germs and pathogens. Watch out for potential hazards and use precautionary measures to keep your employees safe and healthy. If you are interested in learning more about health and safety, visit our website and enroll in your favorite course today.